How to fix Slack cannot delete message. To fix the Slack cannot delete message error, first of all, you simply have to verify that your workspace administrator hasn't disabled message deletion permissions. Or if this feature is not just showing up, you simply have to press the Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac to reload the application and clear local interface glitches. And if you are on mobile device, just like me, you can try to re-log in by signing out of your account or try to remove the cache within the application. Long press the application icon from the app gallery, then tap the I option to open the access info panel or app info. Then head to the storage and cache, then tap on this clear cache to remove corrupted files, and then re-log in and your problem should be fixed.